shout out to Felicia. That's right, give it up for Felicia. Shout out to Felicia for sending in her request for the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Felicia to describe herself, and she gave me a lot of traits, a lot of qualities, a lot of things that she wanted to do. One of the things that she said was she wanted to get back to her community, open an after-school program and a summer camp for like art and activities and things like that. So I'm gonna give her the name Gesando. Come on, say that with me. Gesando. Good. Okay, so Gesando. I'm gonna translate that name for you. So Gesa, Ikesa means like